Coordinating conjunction fanboys for and nor but or yet and so. Coordinating conjunctions join equals to one another, forward to word, phrase to phrase, and clause to clause. Example forward to word. Most children like cookies and milk. For phrase to phrase, the goal is hidden at the beach or by the lakeside. And for clause to clause, what you say and what you do are two different things. Coordinating conjunctions usually form looser connections than other conjunctions do. Example: Marge was late for work and she received a cut in pay. Very loose. Marge was late for work so she received a cut in pay. This one is loose. Because Marge was late for work, she received a cut in pay. The subordinate conjunction because creates a tighter link between the two ideas. Coordinating conjunctions go in between items joined not at the beginning or end. Example for the correct sentence: I like coffee but I don't like tea. For the incorrect one: but I don't like tea, I like coffee. Next, I will talk about using semicolons. The semicolons help you connect closely related ideas when a style marks stronger than a comma if needed. By using semicolons effectively, you can make your writing sound more sophisticated. And here are the rules for using semicolons. A semicolon is most commonly used to link in a single sentence two independent clauses that are closely related in thought. When a semicolon is used to join two or more ideas part in a sentence, those ideas are then given equal position or rank. Example: some people write with a word processor and a semicolon. Others write with a pen or pencil. Next is you use a semicolon between two independent clauses that are connected by conjunctive adverbs or transitional phrases. Example: however they choose to write, people are allowed to make their own decisions. As a result, many people swear by their writing methods. And next is you use a semicolon between items in a list or series if any of the items contain commas. There are basically two ways to write: with a pen or pencil, which is inexpensive and easily accessible, or by computer and printer, which is more expensive but quick and neat. Next is you use a semicolon between independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction if the clauses are already punctuated with commas or if the clauses are lengthy. Example: some people write with a word processor, tablet, or even a phone, and the semicolon here, but others for different reasons choose to write with a pen or pencil. And here you need to know: avoid using a comma when a semicolon is needed. For the incorrect one, the cow is brown, it is also old. And for the correct one, the same sentence, but here are the semicolon, not a comma. Both parts of the sentence are independent clauses, and comma should not be used to connect independent clauses if there is no coordinating conjunction. This mistake is known as comma splice. Incorrect: I like cows, however I hate the way they smell. And for the correct one, I like cows, however I hate the way they smell. Yeah, just the semicolon and the comma. Here you see. The conjunctive adverb, however, signals a connection between two independent clauses, and commas should not be used to connect independent clauses if there is no coordinating conjunction. For the incorrect one, I like cow, they give us milk, which tastes good, they give us beef, which also tastes good, and they give us leather, which is used for shoes and coats. And for the correct one with the same sentence but the different position of the semicolon. It is unclear what the three list items are since the items are separated by commas. And here are more examples of the incorrect and the correct sentence. And here is the explanation. It is unclear where the first independent clauses end and the second independent clause begins. And here is the example. Avoid using a semicolon with the comma if need. Incorrect and the correct. And here's an explanation. The first part is not an independent clause, so no semicolon is required. And here is that's it. Thank you.